Ginger has just sold this home. An offer was accepted just after 15 days on market, right around the asking price. 70% faster than average. Record home prices, almost 400% of 2012. Excellent time to sell, don't miss out. Here, in just 10 minutes, Ginger, a seasoned realtor, will guide you through the 5 steps to sell your home quickly for top dollar. Now, let's reflect a little bit on her experience. Since 2008, she has been actively buying and selling homes in Summerlin, Las Vegas and Henderson. 2013, she obtained her real estate license. And she has the privilege of working in neighborhoods like Sun City, Summerlin, Centennial Hills and Piccoli Ranch. Please text or call 702-800-1928. Love to hear your feedback, encouragement, questions and suggestions. Knowing these communities allows her to effectively position your property and attract the right buyers. Market trend. Back in 2006, price index peaked at 257. 2012, bottomed out to 100. Homes dropped 60%. Now, peaked at 374. Almost 400% of 2012. But, activities has slowed down. 25% from last year. Buyers are very cautious right now. Sell now, don't miss out. The market is shifting towards buyer's market. Clark County, over the past 90 days. Monthly average, 2093 total closed sales count. 2,762 total pending sales. 7,827 total active listings count. 3 months of inventory. Average 47 days on market. Average sale price, $544,375. Recently, it's common to have a few price reductions on any homes. Seller contribution to buyers' closing costs. Another form of price reduction. For a $530,000 home, can be up to $15,000. Average monthly sales activity, 2,214. Slowed down 25% from last year. Everyone has a different timeline and reasons to sell. Moving, marriage, growing families, downsizing, just renovated after a bad tenant. Expired listing, divorce. Ryan Brown, Senior Loan Officer, 916-300-2827. Darren George, Mortgage Lender 702-461-4663. IQ Rate Mortgages 702-829-0550. Probate, James Owens, 702-505-4445. Wong Law Group 702-820-0888. Law Office of Michael Cahill 702-382-8202. To sell your home quickly, we can connect you with cash buyers. No fixed up needed. We can also help you to remove large furniture items. Or, prepare your home to get top dollars. Better choice for your neighborhood and yourself. Here are the 5 steps. Step 1: Planning. 1. Setting the right price. Crucial to attract buyers. 2. What home improvements will you make? 3. Costs and commissions. Understanding the financials. In 2024, real estate law changed. Buyer agent commissions are negotiated in buyer offers, giving sellers more leverage. So here, we discuss seller agent commissions only. At your home, with you and other decision makers, we formulate a plan together. And, sign the listing agreement. Step 2. Home improvements. Proactively, we recommend a home inspection to find out any potential issues. And, correct them. May these be roof, termite, molds or plumbing leaks. Inviting curb appeal. Plant some flowers and plants. Landscaping or new house numbers can make a big impact. Fresh paint, neutral colors, gray and white, more modern, appeal to a broader audience. Smart door locks, thermostats or security cameras really resonate with today's market. Modern buyers appreciate the convenience and security. Consider replacing just countertops. Keeping old cabinets. Repaint old cabinets. Replace broken doors. Install a few new glass door. Look amazing afterwards. Sturdy too. A fraction of the costs and time, compared to completely new cabinets. Stainless steel appliances. Clean washer, dryer vent, dishwasher. Make them fresh. Synchronize light bulb colors. Check light switches wired properly. Updating sinks, faucets, and lighting fixtures can create a fresh and modern feel. Consider replacing outdated or damaged floors with more appealing luxury vinyl planks or tiles. Remove or replace dated, dark, gloomy curtains with quality blinds or plantation shutters. A great way to elevate your home. Happy Home Repair 702-412-2378. Renovo Remodeling 702-483-1015. A thorough AC checkup. Change filters. Deep clean AC unit and air vents. Blue collar HVAC 702-444-6394. Area climate systems 702-328-3002. Step 3. Cleaning and staging. Declutter. Remove personal items. Neutral decors. Decluttering creates a clean slate, allowing buyers to visualize themselves in your home, imagine their own styles. Remove personal items, family photos and memorabilia. Minimize things on countertops, clothes and walk-in closets. Neutral decors, colors and designs. Avoid extremes or too personal. More appealing to a wider audience. Deep cleaning is a must. Text or call Beatrice Cleaning 702-375-6408. Focus on every detail, from windows and seals to baseboards and appliances. Ventilate well. A fresh, pleasant fragrance adds to the overall ambiance. A sparkling, spotless home makes an inviting, great impression. Staged homes often sell for more money. Why? It creates an inviting atmosphere that helps buyers envision themselves living there. Stage the space 702-266-7697. Utopia Home Staging 702-848-3750. LV Staging and Design 702-306-0466. Pad Styler Virtual Staging. Now, let's discuss the incredible marketing resources our team offers. All our visuals are professionally edited, brightening the space or enhancing colors, making a strong first impression online. Investing in high-quality visuals is key to standing out in a competitive market. When roses blossom, butterflies come. When your home is so beautiful, buyers come. 90% of buyers start their home search online. Which photo will get more clicks? First impression matters. High-quality visuals can make all the difference. Aerial photos give buyers a bird's-eye view. Vivid aerial video, with narration and music.
In the prestigious Hollywood Vegas estates. This exquisite Queen Anne Victorian-style home boasts 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. Nestled amidst breathtaking mountain views and capturing glimpses of the iconic Las Vegas Strip.
We provide 2D and 3D floor plans. Help buyers to visualize the space and layout, and themselves in the home. Virtual tours. Immersive experiences allow buyers to explore properties in the comfort of their own homes, increasing their engagement and interest. Step 5. Advertising effectively. Difference between an average agent and our team. Average agents will just put your listing in MLS and put a signpost at your home. We update our sellers with every showing. Discuss with you to make adjustments promptly, like pricing, according to buyers' feedback, to keep buyers engaged. We do a lot more, provide a lot more options. We text all agents in GLVAR Association proactively. Of course, we leverage social media, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, to showcase what makes your home special, where your home truly shines. What makes your home special? Lakefront with supreme view and tranquility? Or gourmet kitchens that super chefs love? Or the beauty and privacy of your backyard? What makes you and home buyers love your home? We describe vividly the beauty and charm of your home, bringing the unique best features to the light. May just bring the right buyer to your door. MLS allows 1,000 characters in the description, around 160 words. An average agent writes about 100 words. Quite boring stuff. We describe your home vividly, utilizing all 1,000 characters. We use multiple platforms, like Zillow Showcase, which expands your home's visibility significantly. Open houses bring more visibility online. Prompt serious buyers to put in offers more quickly. Occasionally, buyers like what they see in open houses and put in the offer right away. We text all agents in GLVAR proactively. We also distribute hundreds of flyers in the neighborhood, Facebook, Instagram and more. Your neighbors may just know who like to move into the area. Their families and friends. Ginger's videos are available in English, Spanish, Cantonese and Putonghua. Selling your home can be daunting. But it doesn't have to be. Imagine the excitement of connecting with buyers who see the true value in your home. As your dedicated realtor, Ginger will leverage her experience, along with our powerful marketing tools, to ensure your home stands out in the market. Her team is committed to working tirelessly for you, so you can achieve a successful and profitable sale. Together, we can make this happen. Let's embark on this exciting journey to find that perfect buyer for your home.